Redmi 9i mobile. In this video we will see about the secret menu for checking 9i mobile hardwares. Go to phone *#*# 64663 ##*. This will open the secret menu which will contains check the IMI numbers and phone serial number as well as SIM cards information, which is slot is used, keyboards, power key, volume down key, vibration test, touch sensor, speakers, mics and headset, everything. Okay, and all type of sensor present, light sensor, accelerometer, proximity sensor,